Well, hi, my name is Amanda. Welcome back to Texas Mommy. Today I was going to be showing you my GlamGlow. This is actually a sample one that I have here. I don't know if you can really see it that well. This one is the GlamGlow Supermud Cleaning Treatment. So, I'm not sure if you can see, but I do have like a pimple right here. I get a lot of blackheads on my nose. I have over here too, I have some things. I know this pimple is like screaming at you saying hi. It really needs to go away. I really don't like it here. But anyway, if you would like to see my review over this one, like I said, this is a sample size. And I know they do sell them at Sephora for a lot bigger than this. And then they also, of course, GlamGlow does sell it themselves as well on their website. So continue watching if you would like to see this. Okay, so to continue on, first off, of course, you want to start with a clean face, which I have already washed my face. And then you're going to apply this. And as it does say here, to apply a thin layer to clean skin and leave on for 5 to 20 minutes. You can use this as a full face mask for 1 to 3 times a week, which that's like really good to know, because if you don't really know about face masks, which I didn't prior to getting this sample, you don't know how often you can use it, and you don't know whether it's a full face, how long you need to leave it on there for. So I really do appreciate that this one, even though it is sample size, it did give me instructions on here. So to continue on, it does say that you can spot treatment it as needed as well, but the most it says you want to do is the 20 minutes. It does say not for use on sensitive skin, so if you have sensitive skin, do not use this. I have used this before and I really do like it. I'm at the point now that I'm kind of contemplating buying this for myself. I'm pretty sure my husband would not be happy just because of how much this cost. I believe on Sephora's website and GlamGlow's website for a good size one, which you would have seen in my picture that you clicked on before you decided to watch this video. I had put a picture of a actual size one, so it is a lot bigger than this. And if you do like watching ones like this, you know how I feel about it or what my review is on it. I also have another one that they had sent me by GlamGlow, and this one is actually their Glow Starter Mega Illuminating, I'm sorry, I cannot talk apparently, moisturizer, and this is in a nude glow. This I do love. But back to this one. So, like I said, this is a size of 0.5 ounces, which is not a lot, but pretty good when it's a sample size, because then that gives you a lot for your money. So to continue on, I'm actually going to apply this to my face. And as you see here, it is like a dark grayish color, if you can see inside there. So I know some people will use a brush to put it on their face. I don't. I actually just use my fingers because, you know, that's what God gave them to me for, was to use them. So I actually do use my finger. As you see here, I do actually just apply some right here, and I'm just going to start bringing it on to my face. And like I said, you do want to avoid your eyes, of course, because you do not want to get it into your eyes. And I see, you know, I only put a little bit really on my finger, but it seems to go really far. And it does, as you will see here, I am putting a little more because I need to make sure that I actually do this treatment on my base probably like once a week myself, just because, you know, whether it's you are just busy with your day-to-day life, whether you're a mom, which as all moms know, you know, our stress levels go really high. We have a lot of things on our plate as moms, because majority of us that are moms are also wives, and so yeah, that just kind of adds to everything that you have going on in your life. And then even if you're not a mom, I mean, come on, who would not want clean skin? I know I love having nice clean skin. So as you see here, my fingers are dirty from putting this on, but as soon as you put this on, you actually can start feeling it tighten on your face. So just FYI, if you're not used to that, this does do that. So I'm actually going to let this sit on my face for 20 minutes. And as you see here, just in this little time I've put it on and I've been talking to you, I can actually already feel it getting more tighter around my lips, which is kind of making it a lot harder to talk. And unfortunately, I am not gifted where I can talk without opening my mouth. So I will see you back in 20 minutes. It has not been 20 minutes yet, but as you can tell, I'm already getting these blacks right here. The sample right here, you can really see it. It is really starting to, you know, grab onto it, especially like right here around my nose, up here, all along here. This does have charcoal in it. So the black that you see is some of the charcoal, but it is also, as you can tell, on my nose. I'm not sure if you can tell, even though I'm getting really close. All the blackheads I do have here. So it is pulling all that out as well. And like I said, as you can hear, I can barely talk, and it has not even been that long, but just for my typical face, I do leave it on here for 20 minutes. So I will show you how my face looks when I hit the 20-minute mark. My 20 minutes is up, and if you can see here, there is a lot of black on my face. I know it looks like really bad, like I don't clean my face, but I promise you I do clean my face. I just really like this one because, as you see here, like right here in the nose area, it really does pull all of that out. And as you see over here, I don't really have a lot, but over here I do have a lot more. So let me go rinse this off my face, and I'll be right back so that I can show you how my face looks, and I can talk normal again, because this is kind of like really weird that I can't really move my mouth that much. So I will be right back. Okay, now that I have cleaned this all off my face, you can see right here, there is a couple blackheads that are still right here. The pimple, unfortunately, is still there, but it does look a lot better. And if you can see here on my nose, it looks like a lot of these blackheads I had went away. I do have a couple still right here, but I do get blackheads really bad around my nose. So over here as well, it does look a lot clearer, especially around my forehead. I'm not sure how well you can see that. As well as, I'm like trying to fight with my light, and it is trying to win. I'm really trying to get a good amount of light on my face so that you can see what I'm talking about on my face. But apparently my light wants to win and not fully give me a good amount. I guess that's as good as we're going to get right here with the light. Anyway, overall, it did feel like it pulled a lot out of my face. I do feel like my face is a lot tighter than it was before. So that is really helpful as well, trying, you know, tighten my face, because like I said, you know, I am a mom of 2 girls, and I know I don't want to have saggy skin, so I'd rather have something that is going to pull my face back together, tighten it up, so that way it's not, you know, saggy and droopy. I mean, because eventually, yeah, it's going to get like that, but at this point, we are not quite there yet with the whole saggy, droopy kind of base going on. So I will continue using my stuff so that hopefully will not happen that soon. But I also would say overall, this didn't seem to work as good as it has in the past. I did leave it on for the same amount of time, so I probably would be trying out a different mask. If you have any recommendations, go ahead and leave them down in the comments below. I'm pretty sure that all y'all use different cleaning products to keep your face clean and keep the blackheads and pimples and all that nastiness away. Especially if you wear makeup and so forth, you're putting makeup on. Even though you're cleaning your face, you always do want to make sure that you go ahead and do a proper cleaning of your face to, rejuvenate it and just make it look a lot better than if you just, never cleaned your face, never took your makeup off kind of thing, which I hope none of y'all do. If you do, I'm not judging. I'm just saying, you probably should not do that. If you do, not clean your face after you take off makeup, I recommend that you do that, because that is going to keep your face a lot cleaner. So anyway, like I said, overall, I'm not quite sure this time around if I would fully recommend this, but it was a sample, so I will continue using it until I'm done with it. But as soon as I buy another one, I will be doing a review on that one as well. And then, like I said, if you have any recommendations for cleaners that you use personally, go ahead and leave them down in the comment box down below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe so that you continue watching me and my kids and my husband occasionally. Not that he's I don't know, he's just not likes to be on videos kind of thing. But as you've seen, if you've seen any of my previous videos with my children, they love being on camera and I like being on the camera. So you'll continue seeing plenty of us. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and like I said, leave a comment down below if you have any of your own recommendations on face cleaners. So I'll see you next time. Have a great night.